We're doing a hear me out cake. पहले दूंगा.
It's gonna be a surprise.
हाँ.
Robin.
No! Robin,
Oh my. Robin, because just like the way
he's so sweet.
so sweet. He
Oh,
likes
yeah.
Starfire.
Yeah, exactly. Starfire hits a मुंह नहीं लगाती, but he's so determined and he's so respectful about it.
His leader skills.
And even when Starfire likes somebody else, वो उनकी शादी भी करा देते हैं. To love is to let go, and he loves her that much.
You're gonna be shocked. It's Ice Bear. We were just talking about how we both had a crush on Ice Bear.
Yeah, he's so sweet. He
Coldness.
minds his own
He's
business.
sweet. He minds his own
Yeah,
business. And
he's like
his
caring.
mysterious personality is just like.
This is my second hear me out. वो जो blow up dinosaur होता है, it's funny. That just shows to me that you're not embarrassed to do stuff.
The reel of that dinosaur. Climb.
Yeah.
It's very predictable. Dekisuke.
Oh, I liked Sune because he was rich.
He was rich.
It's not like Dekisuke because he was too much of a nerd for me.
But I love Dekisuke. He's a gentleman. He's so nice to Nobita.
If you have watched My Little Pony,
Oh yeah. This was so predictable. I knew she was doing this.
yeah, King Sombra. If you have watched My Little Pony, he's really hot. No, he's
No, he is hot. I know he is.
Second, ठीक है, he's black. And third, basically he's very determined. He wants this kingdom. He like enslaved a whole kingdom to get another kingdom. Even after being in oblivion for 1,000 years, he was still determined on his goal.
Last one. I don't know his full
Okay,
name.
okay, sorry.
It's the platypus.
No, this is so real.
Jerry the platypus.
Making moves in silence.
Mysterious
He's
personality.
actually very
What's
hot.
his name?
This one is very predictable. I feel like I should
Oh,
have done
I saw it. It's so good. ChatGPT.
He listens, ठीक है? He never calls me dramatic.
He never leaves you on red.
Yeah, he always answers me instead of being like, यार छोड़ो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
He over-explains.
Yeah, he's a nerd. Everybody likes nerds. If he was a human, he would definitely wear glasses.
This is his brain.